In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a form on ClickUp 2026. If you're looking to streamline how information comes into your workspace, ClickUp's forms are a fast, reliable way to do it. They turn responses into organized tasks your team can act on immediately, whether you're gathering customer orders, feedback, or internal requests. I'll walk you through the full process from logging in to wrapping things up, so by the end, you'll have a polished form that's ready to use. Start by logging into your ClickUp account and heading into your workspace homepage. This is your command center, where your spaces, lists, and tasks live. From here, decide where your form's responses should turn into tasks. Find the space or list you want to work in, so everything you collect lands in the right place without extra cleanup later. Next, look for the plus icon, typically next to where you create or manage tasks. Click it to open the creation menu, then hover down to the form option. Select Form to enter ClickUp's form builder. You'll see a variety of templates you can use right away, or you can build from scratch if you prefer complete control. Templates are a great shortcut because they come with sensible fields you can edit rather than starting with a blank page. For this walkthrough, choose the Apply Order Form template. It's designed for customer orders, but it's highly customizable, so you can adapt it for products, services, or even internal requests that need itemized details. Once it opens, take a moment to review the layout. You'll notice fields that capture key information like names, order details, quantities, and dates. Everything structured to keep incoming requests complete and actionable. Now, personalize the form to suit your workflow. Edit the questions to reflect the exact data you need. You can rename fields, change their order, add new ones, or remove anything unnecessary. If you offer multiple options, convert a text field into a drop-down to reduce unclear answers. If timing matters, include a due date or delivery date field so requests arrive with clear timelines. Keep labels concise and add short descriptions where helpful. This guidance improves data quality and reduces back and forth. Before you go any further, open the form settings. This is where you connect form submissions to your process. Assign who should own new tasks created by this form, either a specific person or role responsible for triage. You can also set default priorities, add tags, or apply a template that includes checklists, custom fields, or automations you already use. Doing this upfront keeps your team's workflow consistent and saves time with every response. When you're happy with the structure, click Preview to see the form exactly as respondents will. This is your chance to spot anything confusing, confirm required fields are clear, and ensure the layout is easy to complete on desktop and mobile. In Preview, try filling it out the way your customers or teammates would. Use realistic test entries and move through each question to confirm it all makes sense. If you've included a due date field, select a date and verify that it behaves the way you expect in the resulting task. If everything looks good, click. Submit in the preview to simulate a real response. This test submission is valuable because it creates a task in your chosen location, letting you verify assignees, priorities, tags, and due dates are applied as intended. Check that the task description or custom fields capture every answer neatly, and that nothing important is missing. If you spot gaps, return to the builder, adjust the fields or settings, and preview again until it's right. At this point, your form is essentially ready. Remember, respondents will be able to answer these questions as you've designed them, so clarity matters. Keep the wording simple and only ask for what you truly need. Take a final pass for grammar and spelling. Professionalism builds trust, and polished forms tend to get better, faster responses. Once your form is complete, use the Submit button in the live form when you're doing final tests or capturing real entries. If you ever need to pause responses, maybe you're making updates, changing ownership, or temporarily closing intake, you can unpublish the form. Unpublishing prevents it from going live or stops new submissions while preserving your work and any responses you've already received. When you're ready again, you can bring it back without rebuilding anything. A quick recap of what we covered. You logged in and navigated to the right space or list. Used the plus icon to create a form. Chose the Apply Order Form template. Customized the questions to match your needs. Configured settings to assign tasks and standardize your workflow. Previewed the form to confirm the experience. Submitted a test to validate how tasks are created. Selected a due date where relevant, and ensured everything looked professional and accurate. From there, you know how to submit completed entries and how to unpublish the form if you need to keep it from going live. That's all it takes to create and use forms in ClickUp quickly and confidently. With a few thoughtful edits and a proper preview, your form becomes a reliable intake system that feeds clean, actionable tasks to your team. Keep your fields focused, your instructions clear, and your formatting consistent to reduce confusion and speed up processing. The result is a smoother workflow and better outcomes for everyone involved. Thanks for following along. If this helped you, be sure to like and subscribe for more tutorials that streamline your workflow and help you become truly proficient with ClickUp. Cheers, and I'll see you in the next one.